Hi, I'm Crystal MacGregor, registered dietitian, and I'm here with the social shell today to show you how you can muscle up your dinner and make a wonderful meal for less than 20 bucks. Let's get started. Today we're gonna be making a red. All right, get your pan. We're using a nice Myers deep pot here over a medium-high heat. You're gonna add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of red curry paste. So simple. All right, it's time to add in those mussels. We're adding in 2 pounds of mussels. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna coat those mussels in this delicious coconut red curry. All right, look at these delicious mussels. Oh my goodness. You'll wanna get a lot of that sauce in here as well. Isn't that amazing? Just a few quick ingredients, 5 to 7 minutes.